What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download Age of Empires IV Anniversary Edition on your PC. So for the first step we will need to open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam and then we can proceed to another website. So what we are going to do is search for the Steam website and then go to the Steam website to search up the game and locate it. Now search for Age of Empires IV and then select it. Now scroll a little bit down and as you can see, this game on Steam is €39.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround for that. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now what you need to do is search for the same game, Age of Empires IV, and then select it. Now select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. There are a couple of things you need to watch. One of the things is that this text needs to be marked green so the game can be activated in your country, and of course that you select the PC version. Once you have found one, select it, and after that we will scroll a little bit down and then you will find out that we already can download this game for just €11.05 instead of the price on Steam of €39.99, and this is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is buy this game through this website for just €11.05 and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!